Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Civil with Sudhir. Today we will learn class 2 of coding decoding, that is SSC JEE Reasoning 2021. In the previous video we have learned class 1 of coding decoding, that is 6 to 7 questions we have learned. Today we will learn the remaining questions. Okay, in the previous video some of the students commented that we want in English. So I'm trying to say in English only. Okay, so let's begin friends. The question is, if meter is coded as 1, then how will ROGER be coded as? Okay, first I have to take the pen. See the question. If meter is coded as 1, then how will Roger will be coded as? On seeing this question, you will be think that how meter is coded as 1, but there is no problem. First we have to, if in coding decoding we have to learn first alphabets, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. We have to know the numberings also. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. In the examination hall, you also write this format of alphabets in your rough sheet, so that you can easily find the answers of questions. Okay, see here, M for 13, M is equal to 13, E is equal to 5, E is equal to 5. In the same way, T is equal to here 20, then E is equal to again 5, then R is equal to 18. Here if we observe 13 plus 18, 13 plus 18 is equal to 31, and then 5 plus 20 plus 5, 5 plus 20 plus 5 is equal to, is equal to 30. Then 31 minus 30 is equal to 1. We found the answer, that is for meter. In the same way, we have to find the answer of ROGER. Here see, ROGER. R for here 18, 18, O for 15, G for 7, E for 5, R for again 18. So we have to again first and last one addition. 18 plus 18 is equal to 36. Then 15 plus 7 plus 5. 15 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 27. So the answer will be 36 minus 27. Answer will be 9. Okay, next one. In a certain code language, GOET is written as 45 and quote is written as 41. Then how is both written in that code language? Okay. Here if we observe G for, in the previous, G for 7. Okay. G for 7. GOAT. is equal to 7 plus O for 15 plus A for 1 plus T for 20. Okay. If we do the summation of all this, then the answer will be 43. But we want 45. If we add the 2 in this 43, then we will get 45. That is our solution. In the same way, COAT, COAT. COAT is written as C for 3 plus O for 15 plus A for 1 plus again T for 20. Then if we add all this, then 20 plus 15, 35. 35 plus 1, 36. 36 plus 3, 39. 39 plus 2, 41. Like this, we have to find out BOAT. B-O-A-T. B is for 2 plus O is for again 15 plus 1 plus T is for again 20. Okay. 15 plus 20 again 35 plus 1 36 plus 2 38 and plus 2 is equal to 40. So the option is first is correct. Next, solve the following. If rat is equal to 9, game is equal to 12, liver is equal to 15, then polyester will be what? If you observe here, in the rat word there are 3 alphabets. In the game word there are 4 alphabets, and in the liver there are 5 alphabets. In the same way, in the polyester 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 alphabets. Here, if you multiply 3 with this 3, then we get 9. If you multiply 3 with 4, then we get 12. If you multiply 3 with 5, then we get 15. In the same way, if you multiply 3 with this 8, then we get 24. So our answer will be option C, 24. Understand? Next, if n is equal to 14, nose is equal to 53. Nose is equal to 53. Then not. If we observe our alphabet table or alphabet numbers that I have drawn in the beginning, we observe n. N is equal to 14. See here, n is equal to 15. Nose. Okay. N 14. O 15. S 19. And E 5. If we add all these numbers, 14 plus 15 plus 19 plus 5, then we get 53. Okay. In the same way, N O C K. N for again 14, O for 15, C for 3 and K for 11. Okay. If we add all this, 14 plus 15 plus 3 plus 11, then we get 43. So our answer will be option B, 43. We will see the next question. If blacksmith is coded as CNBELUNKUJ, then children will be coded as. Okay. Here we first have to draw or return all the alphabets given in the question. Blacksmith. Okay. Is coded as CNBE. If we observe here, B plus 1 C. L plus 2 N. Okay. A again plus 1 B. C again plus 2 E. L plus 1 K plus 1 L. S plus 2 U. Okay. In this way, plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. N K U J. We got the idea of this series. In the same way, what they asked children. CHILDREN. First we have to write down like this. Then plus 1 D. Okay. Plus 2 J. Then plus 1 J. Then plus 2 N. Okay. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 E. Okay. T. F. P. Here we have to find out the answer D, J, J, N, E, T, F, P. That is option B. We are moving to the next question. If the alphabet A to Z is represent each other in the reverse order. That is A is equal to Z, B is equal to Y, C is equal to X. Then how tour will be written as? Here I told you in the beginning, here the table is very useful. Okay. See here, A is equal to Z, B is equal to Y. In the same way they asked tour. Okay. T-O-U-R. What is the T's opposite? G. Okay. O's opposite alphabet L. U's opposite E. And the R's opposite I. G-L-E-I. Sorry, here my mistake. F. U's opposite F. G-L-F-I. G-L-F-I. Option B. Here, in a certain code language, 1 to 5 is equal to go to school. 1 to 4 is equal to study in school. And 135 is equal to run to school. Then, which digit is used for run? Here we have to write the all given data, that is 1, 2, 5 is represented as go to school. Okay. Then 1, 4, 6 is represented as study in school. And 1, 3, 5 is run to school. It means 1 is represented as go, 2 represented as to, and 5 is represented as school. In the same way, 1 is represented as run, 3 is to, 2 and 5 is for school. 1 is for study, 4 is for in, and 6 is for school. Here we have to observe that in the first and second sentence, what is the common number? Common number is 1. Here we write 1. And the common word is school. The both sentence, the common word is school. So 1 will be represented as school. In the same way, in the sentence first and third, the common number is 5. Okay, 5. And the common word is 2. Okay. So the 5 will represent to 2. And we have to find run. So here we have found 2 and school. So 2 is for 5 and school is for 1, and the remaining number will be 3. So 3 will be run. So the option number 1 will be correct. Okay, next question. In a certain code language, 289 means read from newspaper, 276 means tea from field, and 85 means wallpaper. Same like a previous question, we have to write down the first all the given data, that is 289 read from paper. Okay, then 276 tea from field, and 85 means wallpaper. What we have to find? T. Here T. So in the first and second sentence, what is the common number? 2. Okay, here first we have to write 2. Then what is the common word? Word is from. So here 2 will be represented as from. Okay. In the same way, in the first and third sentence, what is the common number? 8. Okay, we have to first write here 8. Then what is the common word? That is paper. But here what do we have to find? T. T is for here 7 and 6. Here T and field. So we don't know exactly that T will be goes for 7 or 6. So here either our option will be correct, that is 7 or 6. That is option number 1. Next question. If sun is equal to 108, then moon is equal to 140, then what is the code for star? Here sun is equal to 108. What is the number of S? S is for 19 plus U is for 21 plus N is for 14. Here the sum will be 54. If we multiply this with 2, then we will get 108. Okay. In the same way, moon will also in this way moon will also get 114. Then what is the code for star? Here S for 19 plus T for 20 plus A for 1 and plus R for 18. Okay. Here the sum will be 58. If you multiply this with 2, then we will get 160. So our option will be B, right answer. Okay. Next, if 12 is coded as 231541 and 9 is coded as 6861, then what will be code for 11? Here write down first TWELVE 23151 and NINE is for 6861. Here simply we represent these alphabets to these numbers, that is T for 2, W for 3, E for 1, L for 5, G for 4 and E for 1. In the same way NINE. Okay, what you have to find? 11 ELEVEN. Okay, what is the code for E? That is 1 and L for 5. Again E for 1. V for here, V for 4. E for again 1 and N for here 6. So 151416. 151416. 6. That is option B will be the right answer. Okay. Next. In a certain code language, solution. Here this question is recently asked in the SSC JEE, which was conducted on 3rd March 2021, first shift. So the question is very important. See here carefully. In the certain code language, solution is written as XLQFYRTM and garments is written as LZWNJMYH. And what will be advanced be written in that code. Okay. Here first we have to write solution. SOLUTION. What they written? Wait. X L Q F Y R T M. If you observe carefully here, S plus 5 is equal to X. Then O's opposite alphabet L. Then again L plus 5 Q. Then O's opposite alphabet F. Then T plus 5. Then O's opposite. The same way plus 5 opposite. What we have to find? Advanced. The same way first plus 5, then opposite, again plus 5, opposite, plus 5, opposite, plus 5 and opposite. Okay. Here A plus 5 F. D is opposite letter W. Then V plus 5 A. A is opposite letter Z. Then N plus 5 S. C is opposite letter X. E plus 5 J. D is opposite letter W. So here the answer is FWA ZS XJW. Option A will be the right answer. So thank you friends. If you like my video, then please like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We will see in the next video.